So, guys, welcome
Oh my
back
God.
to another episode. And today I have a very interesting question, but we just have Blazer and Johnny again with us. And welcome in, guys. I want to ask you guys, what do you guys think is data science? And how does data engineering and data analytics or data analyst play into this context? What is their role?
Oh my God.
So who wants
Oh
to
my
start?
God. I'm
Oof.
gonna give a very short answer.
Yeah, just
Data
say what you
science,
think, man.
yeah, data science is the science of data.
Oh man, can somebody ban?
Uh, big question. Like, and you are even a data scientist, right?
What? I'm
Yeah.
not a data scientist.
Oh, see, I don't even know.
Yeah, I
No,
mean,
what I think. I mean, to be honest, I think if we
just
were to speak from somebody who doesn't know anything,
yes,
is
yes, yes. That's why I
you
do it.
work with data, you analyze it, and then you sort of make it beautiful so people understand it or can see it and present it. That's how it's done.
Okay. Blazer, anything else you want to add?
I would say I think Long is a data engineer. That the difference is I don't remember, but data science is basically I think a bit of what Johnny said. People who kind of study data and see like how they can use that data or where they should apply it, kind of use the data to come up with a solution for, I don't know, for business to grow
Mm,
or where they can allocate their resources.
Hmm.
yeah,
I think
it
that
goes
that
into
would be
the
it.
right direction, but there are some huge differences which I want to break down for you guys, okay?
Yeah,
Because I think many people
tell me.
they think data science is one thing, which I also thought, because before I worked as a, or started working as a data engineer, I was a full stack web developer and as actually software engineer. So I built embedded systems with C, and then I just loved Python and just automated stuff with Python without knowing that I could be a data engineer. So then one day my current CTO reached out to me and said, "Hey man, what are you doing? I see you're coding," and he said, "I'm looking for data scientists." And I was like, "Oh yeah, let's do it, man. I have no clue, but let's let's do it." And data scientists basically, oh no, let's start somewhere else. Like data engineers, because there are three roles: like data engineers, data analysts, and data scientists. And let's take me as the data engineer as the beginning. I'm just the person who has nothing to do with machine learning. Like by default, I have nothing to do with machine learning, and what I do is I use software engineering paradigms or principles and build automated pipelines or ETL pipelines to extract data from different data sources and clean them, order them in a way that I can put them in databases for other people, which are my stakeholders or people I work with, which are data scientists and data analysts. Okay, so I don't apply any algorithms on the data. I just apply on the pipelines to get the data, like web scraping and building
Okay.
databases. Okay,
Hmm.
with
Hmm.
Python and SQL.
Yeah.
And then we have data analysts who actually just take the data which I give them, which could be in a CSV, in a JSON, Excel file, or in the best case, SQL in a database, and then they apply SQL, and then they select some data from the databases, and then look at the data. And then they say, okay, this is the data I have, and based on that, I can tell you, my stakeholders or the clients they work with, we should do this because I found this information out of this table. Like they visualize the data for you, so you can see what's happening. And then the data scientists, man, they do the hard work. They are the brains. They take the data which I give them, and then they have to apply machine learning and basically do the same which the data analysts are doing, but they have to analyze it and figure out what the data is telling you and do predictive modeling, so they can do some kind of they can look into the future somehow based on the data which they get, in a nutshell, with machine learning and
Yeah.
statistics. And I
That's
think
that's
I hope that gives you some kind of breakdown, and that's it for
Yeah.
today's episode, guys. So thank you for joining. Peace.